Hi, this is Joshua Talent with eBook Architects, and today I'm going to show you how to install the Kindle Previewer program on your computer so that you can look at the Mobi file that we've sent you for your Amazon Kindle. Now, if you don't have a Kindle Kindle device of your own, you can install this Kindle Previewer program to emulate what the actual ebook will look like on a Kindle device. It's a very easy way to look over your file. So first, you'll want to go to the Reviewing and Approving Your eBook Files page and scroll down to the section about the Mobi file, and you'll see a link there to Amazon.com/Kindle Publishing. You need to type that into your browser, or you can click on it. When you click on it, you'll be taken to the Kindle Publishing Programs page. This is a page that Amazon makes available to anyone who is creating Kindle ebooks, and so they have a couple of tools on here that are available for people who do that kind of work. You'll want to scroll down, and you'll see the Download KindleGen option. KindleGen is a program that we use here at eBook Architects to help build your Kindle files. You'll also see the Kindle plugin for Adobe InDesign, which is used by some designers nowadays. And you'll see the Download Kindle Previewer application, and right now it's version 1.61. You'll want to agree to the terms of use. This is the program you'll be downloading. And then click the Download Now button. Now this file will be saved on your computer, usually in a Downloads folder or possibly on your desktop. I'm going to kind of cheat here, and I've already downloaded the entire exe. It is actually a fairly large file. So when the exe has downloaded completely, go ahead and double click on it and run it, and you will see a copy of the license agreement. You'll want to read through that and make sure you agree with what the terms are that Amazon's requiring of you. And then you can also just allow the Kindle Previewer program to be installed in the default location on your computer. So go ahead and install. It'll take just a moment for it to actually install the program. Something that you'll realize once it's finished here and we close it out is you'll probably get a message from your Windows computer that says, did this program install properly? It looks like it didn't install properly. And if you see that, you can go ahead and say, yes, it did install properly. To go and open the program, you want to go into your programs list, and under the Amazon folder there's a Kindle Previewer directory and a Kindle Previewer option right there. So go ahead and open up the shortcut. It'll open up the program, and now that it's open, you just have to open a book. And now you can either go to the File menu and click on Open Book, and then navigate on your computer to where that Mobi file is located, the .mobi file, and then open it that way. Or if you already know where it is and you want to click and drag, you can just click and then drag that Mobi file onto the Kindle Previewer window. Now when you open up the file, there's a couple of options you should be aware of inside of the Kindle Previewer program. One is the Devices menu. The Devices menu lets you choose what kind of Kindle device you want to emulate on your computer. So right now it's set to the Kindle device itself. You can also say, I want to see what this looks like in the Kindle DX, which is Amazon's large screen Kindle viewer. You can also see what it looks like on the Kindle for iPhone applications, or say Kindle for iPad. Now you should definitely check out what the book is going to look like on the Kindle device, and if you might also want to try some of these other settings just to take a look at what it might look like on other devices. Some other settings you should be aware of. The Previous Page and Next Page buttons are fairly straightforward. It'll take you between pages of the book and just allow you to see what the content looks like. Now don't forget that this, because of the screen resolution on my computer screen right now, the amount of text that shows up on the screen, I'll have to scroll down to be able to see the entire page. You also have Next Section and Previous Section buttons that allow you to jump between chapters of the book. So if I jump to chapter 1 and then to chapter 2 and chapter 3, it allows me to jump very quickly between those different sections of the book. Some other options here: you can rotate the screen and look at the screen as if it's in a landscape mode or in the portrait mode. You can also change the font size and change what font size you're viewing the ebook in. I'm going to switch back real quick to the Kindle view. You can also ask the device to take you to the cover image, or to take you to the table of contents in the book, and those are settings that are set behind the scenes. And you can also see what's called the NCX, or the Navigation Table of Contents, which is a behind the scenes table of contents view. So all of those are settings that are very simple to use here in the Kindle Previewer program. And you'll want to take a look at your entire book, jump from chapter to chapter and take a look at how it looks, and let us know if you have any questions. That's it. Thanks a lot for listening.